In a world filled with daunting challenges, there exists a book that dares to explore the power of living and giving with an open heart. It is a journey that transcends the boundaries between life and death, urging us to embrace the beauty of laughter. Through a collection of insightful quotes and provocative stories, this book beckons us to discover the profound wisdom that lies within. In this journey called life, we have the incredible ability to express joy through our smiles. It is through this simple gesture that we open ourselves up to the countless blessings that surround us. Get ready to be moved by this powerful tale of unwavering determination. Soulful Courage, Embracing the Moments and Navigating Windstorms. By Bobbi Blok. Coming soon in cinemas.